Hey Tech Explorers, welcome back! Today we're going to be programming an mBot robot to do the following challenge. To turn around and walk to the wall. Okay, cool. Before we do that, we're going to do something a little funny. We're going to actually program me to do that program. How? Well, we're going to use commands that I, as the robot, can understand. So let's try it. Beep boop, I am a robot. Starting challenge. You need to turn. Commencing command. Turn. What are you doing? Why didn't you stop? Well, the only command you gave me was to turn. Did you ever tell me to stop? I got it. Start turning and then wait until 2 seconds pass and then stop. Do you understand those commands? Beep boop. I understand all those commands. Let's try it. Start turn. Then wait 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Stop turn. Great job. I turned. Now all I need to do is get to that wall. Ooh, walk forward, walk forward. Let's try it. Going forwards. Forwards, forwards, forwards. That did not work. Ah, darn. I forgot to tell you when to stop again. Okay. So, can you start going forwards and then wait until you get to the wall and then, for your last command, stop. Rewind. Let's try it again. Start going forwards. Wait until my eye sensors detect the wall. Am I at the wall yet? No. Am I at the wall yet? Nope. Am I at the wall yet? Yeah. Stop. Yay, that was easy. Look at you, you finished the challenge successfully and you did it under 10 commands. Awesome job. Now all we need to do is to program our mBot to do the same thing using similar commands. For this challenge, we're going to simulate the wall by using a little white box and face the robot opposite to it. Let's start off by opening mBlock. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can find it at mblock.com. Once you have mBlock open, make sure that your mBot is on and connected to your laptop. For a refresher on how exactly to do that, click here to check out those videos. Right now I'm connected over USB, so I'm going to click connect, serial port, COM4, which is the port it's plugged into. So to start the program, we need some sort of trigger. For the trigger, we can look under Events and then press when the flag is clicked. So then we'll start running our program whenever we press this little green flag. So the first few commands you gave me were to try to get me to turn around. Okay, so to do that, we said that we needed a command to tell it to start turning, a command to tell it to wait for how long to turn, and then a command to tell it to stop. Let's start off by grabbing a command to tell it to turn. If you look here, we see that there's a run forward command at speed 0. Let's strike that on is customizable, so we can change it to anything we want. We said we wanted to turn, right? So let's tell it to turn. Let's say turn left. At speed 0, well, we know speed 0 is not going to move. So let's change speed 0 to something like speed 100. So we'll turn left at speed 100 for, let's say, a second. So to do that, I'm going to add in a wait block, just like you did when you programmed me. So now it said, turn left, wait for a second, and finally, stop turning. We can grab the stop block by going back to the robots tab, grabbing the run forward, and then grabbing run forward at speed 0. The speed 0 means stop. Let's test it. Cool, facing the box. You may find that the time that we turn is not always too accurate, so you take a second to play around with the amount of time that we wait for. After that, the next series of commands need to tell our mBot to go forwards in order to reach the other wall. Grab the run forward block again, speed 100, so we need to tell it to stop after something. Back when we were programming me, we said to run forwards and wait until my eye sensors detected a wall. If we look at our mBots, it has these little eyes right here. Well, sort of. They act like eyes. But what it really is an ultrasonic sensor. So we can use this ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. As the mBot gets closer to a wall, the distance between its eyes and the wall is going to go down. So now if the mBot says that it's 10 centimeters away, as we move closer, it'll say 5 centimeters away, 2 centimeters away. And after we give the command to start running forwards, we can say, wait until your ultrasonic sensor, or your eyes, see a distance that's very small. So after the run forward command, let's go to control and grab a wait until block. Okay, wait until what? Well, we want to wait until our ultrasonic sensor sees a number that's less than something. So let's go into robots and grab ultrasonic sensor. When we grab this block, we'll see that it says ultrasonic sensor port 3 distance. Pretty much what it says is that we have an ultrasonic sensor plugged into port 3, and it's asking, what distance are you seeing? We said we want the distance that the ultrasonic sees to get very small. So why don't we say to wait until the distance drops below, say, 5 centimeters. Then we know that we're in front of a wall and we can stop. Well, we can use this block for that. Under operators, we can grab this little green block that perfectly fits into the wait until block. Then, if we put the ultrasonic sensor in there and write 5 in here, we have written that exact same command in code. We're saying run forward at speed 100, then wait until the ultrasonic sensor in port 3 sees a distance that's less than 5 centimeters. That means that the mBot is at a wall and it can stop. Cool, let's try running it. Look at that, it stopped exactly at the wall. Isn't that cool? Enjoyed that video? Well, click here to subscribe and access more awesome tech videos. And click here to check out the TechExplore website.